Okay, this is phase two. Now we're going to continue from where we stop under phase two. Now, already we have created our test and we have done a kind of manipulation, rotation, movement, deleting, copying, highlighting, focusing, increment, and thereabout. Now we're going to go into editing of the test. Okay, so if you want to edit, click on the edit button, or you can call it show input. Click on the edit button. So look at it, I click. Good. So this is the edit button. All right. So here in the edit button, you can rotate your text in a fixed way. For example, first of all, make sure you consider the focus is important. So if we want to start from here, that's the front focus, and rotate. I can rotate in 180 degree. I can click here. You see the rotation by 180 degree. I can click back. So rotation is fast. Maybe if I want to rotate 180 degree. Now if I want to rotate by 90 degree, I click here, and then I click here, and then I click here, and I click here. All right. So if I want to rotate by imputing the bearing, it will be easy. So this is 90 degree. I can rotate by maybe 45 degree. All right. So anything you are doing, it will be happening live. So 30 degree, 0 degree. Okay, 350 degree. All right. 310 degree. So rotation is now 180 degree. You see it. So this is how you are going to rotate. Okay, so this one is by clockwise rotation. All right. So now if you want to edit your text, now you can click here. Make sure you view it, and you can call it access road. You see it. So let's make this to be 90 degrees so that it will be fantastic. We click here. All right. So returning to 90 degree. So we call it access road. All right. So if you want to create space within, click here, and then use your keypad, start tapping so you can create space. All right. So depends on the space you want. Now you can also decrease it here too. Okay, so watch it. We can decrease the text size. Okay. All right. So text size decreased. So you can also make the space to be. So let me just tap small just to increase it a little bit. Access road. Okay. All right. So this one is okay. Now you've seen how you can edit your text. You can also set it to be bold if you want. You can remove it, set it to be italic, maybe bold italic. So remove. All right. So this is how you can edit your text right at the edit bar. But you can remove it and can still start working with your rotation anyway if you want. So remember your highlights. We can also move it. All right. So make sure you highlight it, please, so it will not misbehave. All right. So we can move it. All right. So look at your focus. Once you're rotating anti-clockwise, it will be rotating like this. All right. So if we put the focus like this, we rotate. You see what is happening. So I'm trying to position it. So I'll just move downward. Right. So I'm doing a great job anyway. So you can also do your own great job. So you see what I just did now. So this is how I've done the positioning. Now you can also change the text color. Maybe if you want to change the text color, so you click on this color. Right. So maybe you want to say something like red. I will click. So you see it has changed. And then maybe you want to return it. Say no. returning. Now if you want to remove this highlight, use what is called clear button. Clear button, look at it. Once you click it to remove all highlights. All right, it will remove all highlights. So I'm sure you have learned how to edit your text, rotate it with your bearing, your fixed bearing, 90-degree rotation, 180-degree rotation, change the bold, the text style, and hereabout. So in the next tutorial, we're going to enter in a little bit frustrate a professional way of designing role. Now this time around we're going to enter into line design. All right, so we have done for text, we're going to enter into line design. After that, the last tutorial, we're going to start from a scratch, and then I'm going to design the road in your presence. So I will be a little bit quick because I have assumed that you have learned this foundation. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.